I'm going to be teaching you how to make an AC using box. So let's start. First, you take a small box, two small box, and the smaller place is 9 centimeters and the long place is 12 centimeters. Then you take another box with two long box, and this one is 9 centimeters and this one is 20 centimeters. So let's start. So first, you take the box of 9 centimeters and 12 centimeters. There you're just going to be putting it on your box. So you glue it at the last side of the box. Remember, this is what you can use boxes to do. So remember, reuse, recycle. Don't lose it, reuse it. So don't waste any of your box materials. So it will be like this. Then you are going to be putting the other long one here. So you put the other long one here. Then you put this one. But before you do this one, so my brother is going to be helping me do the long one. So before you put this one you are just going to be cutting a small box. Mommy, I want BG. Mommy, I want BG. Mommy,
Winter time.
So sorry about the noise. I was saying, okay, let's just because of what we are doing. So, like this. Don't throw this one away. You need it soon. And that soon is now. So you are just going to be cutting it into 3 long pieces. This one, you're just going to be cutting it into 3 long pieces. So 3 pieces like this. You are just going to be putting them. You're just going to be gluing them to your box like this. Wow, this is so amazing. If you have any difficulty doing this, remember to try again. As I always say, I always involve God in whatever you do, because what God cannot do does not exist. If you have any difficulty doing this, remember to try again. As I always say, and always involve God in whatever you do, because what God cannot do does not exist. Remember not to throw your box away. You can recycle them into something new. So like this. Wait for it to dry. So So I'm just going to be gluing it. So my brother is going to be helping me. So after I do that, for the under and the top, you take a box the smaller side, which is 12 centimeters, and the other side, which is which is so as I said, here 12 and here is 20. So you need 2 of it to be put at the top and the bottom. At the top and the bottom. Top and the bottom. At the top and the bottom. Top and the bottom. Esther, please, I need the scissors. Thank you. Thank you, okay? Esther, come and sit down. Come. So I've glued it. So thanks for that. You're welcome. You will need it. What did I say that you didn't need? You said you didn't need. So now we're just going to be gluing this one. So after you finish gluing the first one, don't glue the second one yet. Add our electronics. We have here a motor, battery, a switch, and some wires that you need. So now you glue it. So my brother is just going to be helping me a little. I'm going to be helping him a lot. This isn't the rest. So after he's doing that, we're just going to teach her to make how to make a vat. Sorry about that. So Esther, please give me the scissors. Thank you.
You're welcome.
So you just cut some lines. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can cut more than 6. You can cut 7 or 8. So let me just cut 7. After I'm done with that, you're just going to be bending it like this. So you'll be bending it. So you bend it like this. So after you're done bending it, you're just going to be poking a hole in the middle. So thank you to everyone who has been supporting our viewing, liking, and subscribing to our channel. So thank you everyone who has been supporting us and will support you too, and may the Lord bless you and your channel. Even though you don't have some channel, Lord God will bless you. Sorry about that. Thank you everyone. So it's working. The wind is so much. So now let's start. So here's the box. So the inside, you're just going to be putting your battery. So you glue your battery to it. So Joshua, please glue it. So Joshua is going to be gluing the batteries. So you use a 9-volt battery or any battery you have. You can just take 2 batteries, turn it negative and positive, then tape it together, put a blade under, then tie it with a rubber band. So now you take your motor and your fan. They are just going to be putting it on your battery. Since I don't want to glue, so he's using the rubber band to hold it. So you can put it on something so it will be taller. Yes. So the fan. So as he's doing that, I'm just going to be attaching one end of the wire to my switch. Then I'm going to be taping it. So now, I'm waiting for it to go. So now it's working. So let me just try it one more time in case. So it's working. So now I'm just going to be taking everything and putting it here. But first, we're just going to be putting a small place that our switch will enter. So I'm just designing the blades with the white A4 sheets. So just check if the switch open.
Oh.
So it fits. So now we're just going to be adding the motor, and we're just going to be adding one wire to the switch. So with the capacity of the disc,
we have done it.
it will work.
So now it's working. You can hear the engine. Wow.
So now, so it's not easy to do it. So we're almost done. So I'm just going to be adding some ice. You too can do this at home. It's very easy. You know it's not that easy. So let's see. You don't make sure not to glue this one. You can just tape it here, then remove the tape
so that you can refill the ice. So you are going to tape it. So now, after Joshua tapes it, I'm going to on it and show you how it is. Or I could just on it right now. So you can hear the vibrations of it. That's the sound of the motor spinning the fan. It's like a real AC. Feeling cold already. Wow.
Now, there it is. So wow.
So it works. You can actually feel it. So thank you everyone for watching this channel. This was the Genius Inventor Kit. We'll see you next time with more video. The Genius Inventor Kit. God bless you. Goodbye.
The amazing AC. You too can do it at home.
High five.
Don't lose it, reuse it.
Thumbs up.